Hey, welcome to this video. This is Lisa Hanfileti, and in this Acupuncture Business Academy video, what I'm going to do is talk to you about online course program software. I want to share a discovery with you. As I've mentioned in earlier posts, I'm in the middle of creating an online program. This is for my patients, specifically so I can help them with some issues and also so I can add another revenue stream to my business. And although I am in an excellent private coaching program, this is with Lori Kennedy at the Wellness Business Academy, and I've been learning some great ways to create and structure my content, I've gotten stuck when it came to her recommendations for the type of software to use to put the course out there. So these are the digital pieces that are important to put together in order to promote and deliver the course. For some reason, I just have a block when it comes to Clickfunnels, which is the recommended software. I'm going to switch over here just so you can see it as a reminder what Clickfunnels is if you've never heard of it before. But it's a great software to create templates for opt-in pages and landing pages and sales funnels. And so it's specific to promoting, collecting email addresses, and then going ahead with the sales process. And I mean, I thought I would love this software. I wanted to love it. And since I'm kind of techie anyway, I didn't think I'd have any problem with it. But for some reason, I found it to be difficult to use. It was not intuitive to me. And plus, it's pretty expensive. It costs $297 a month if you get the package that includes the autoresponder system. And without the email autoresponder system, it's $97 a month. So I'm telling you these prices because you will never find them on this website, for one, which kind of annoys me. They make you go through this very lengthy process of giving them information about you, and then all that does is lead you to a page where they want you to try their free trial, which is great. It's free, but they do collect this information first: your username, your full name rather, email address, password, and then they want you to put in your credit card information before you've ever seen how much it's going to cost at the end of the 14 days. So that's why I'm telling you it's $97 and $297. So, and the thing is that this software was developed by Russell Brunson, and I followed Russell Brunson for a long time. I think he's a brilliant marketer, and anyone who sells online courses should really read his books. And so I have no problem with him and what he's tried to create here. I just, for some reason, it was not a match for me. So I continued to look for what I was, this perfect digital platform, which I didn't think I'd ever find, but I wanted to find something that was at least more affordable, and I didn't have to patch so many different pieces of things together. So I thought I found a solution when I decided to go with Thrive Themes, which I already use with my WordPress site. And I love Thrive Themes. If you're using WordPress and you're looking for a good theme, definitely look at Thrive Themes, because you can build landing pages and you could basically do funnels with Thrive Themes. And they have a plugin called Thrive Apprentice, which is their membership plugin. But unfortunately, they don't put a lot of support behind that particular plugin, and it would still require other plugins like Wishlist Member, which is excellent software for protecting content that you want to keep secure. And then there's also Member Mouse, which is another plugin, which is also very good. There's Member Press, which is another plugin. So I've been looking at all these plugins thinking, which one am I going to connect with Thrive Themes? But you still run into trouble when you're using WordPress. Those are just the plugins to keep the content secure. Then you have to figure out a way to take payment and to sell them in a secure fashion. So now you're getting into something like WooCommerce, or you're getting into ThriveCart, and you can see where you start to patch all these pieces together. And with WordPress, even though I've used it a long time, I love a lot of things about it, you still run into issues with plugins that conflict with each other. You have to constantly do the WordPress updates. There are hosting requirements that can change. And then, like I said, the shopping cart add-ons. So I started to feel overwhelmed by all this. So I kept looking, and I actually went back to something that I had looked at previously, which was Teachable. Teachable is a very, very nice platform for online courses. In fact, anyone doing online courses, if you look at their training, you'll get really good information about how to put together an online course that fits in a logical fashion. And then I was also looking at Thinkific, which I have played around with. It's a great software, especially if you don't have any techie skills at all. They actually have kind of built-in ways for you to have your videos and your audios already set up without having to do a lot of stuff on your own, although you can upload them if you want to. I also looked at course software that is really specific to the holistic nutrition, holistic healthcare field. Practice Better is one that I looked at, and I did a 60-day trial with it. It's actually really good if you're delivering a lot of one-on-one coaching, a lot of meal plans and that kind of stuff. They do a great job. And then Healthy is another one that's also really good in this space at delivering that holistic health kind of content. And Practice Better gives you a lot of templates too, which is kind of cool. But they still did not meet my requirements for what I was looking for, so I kept looking, and I went to a few oldies but goodies. So for landing pages, so I'm still looking at funnels. I went to Lead Pages. Now, I don't know why Lead Pages has this thing coming out here. It doesn't give me a lot of confidence in them. But Lead Pages is standard. It's been around for a long time, so you can build funnels for sure with that. Instapage is the same idea. But they don't give you their prices either until you kind of do some searching. And then Kartra is kind of actually Instapage does give you their prices. Sorry about that. They have their plans right there. Kartra is the one that doesn't give you any pricing. They really want you to do this $1 trial. So they want you to give them your credit card. But they hide how much it costs. And I know how much it costs because I've looked in there, and I think they have different plans. It's around $70, $80, or $90 a month. I can't remember. It's a little bit less than Clickfunnels. But what they don't tell you is that they increase the price based on the number of subscribers that you have, which is standard in the email kind of industry because they have an email autoresponder included in this platform. But what they don't tell you is that they also increase your price based on the number of emails that you send per month. And that's a little bit kind of tricky because that's not a standard way of doing things. And the company itself, developed by Andy Jensen and Frank Kern, who are bigwigs in the online marketing space, they do the training, Frank Kern in particular, and they give you pre-written emails that are, copywritten in a way that's supposed to be very, very effective, which, again, that's really great value. But they're encouraging you to email your list once, twice, and 3 times a day. Yes, I said a day twice. So it kind of gets you in a position where, you're bound to incur even more and more costs. And so I always like to kind of know what my fixed costs are. So once again, I kept looking, and I'm glad I did, because I think I have found a solution, which is why I'm creating this video. And it includes everything I was looking for only $29.90 a month. $29.90 a month, less than $30 a month. And it's called Builderall. And what I want to show you in here is you can go to webbuilderally.com and you will see this landing page here. And it's a super long landing page, sales page, where they go through all the different things that are included. I'm going to point out a few things because it is a digital platform. I think it's designed for web designers who build websites for other businesses, but they have so much more in here. And I think that it's perfect for online course creators. So what I'd like to do is point out the things that are in here that are specific to what we do or what I'm doing in terms of creating an online course that I want to make sure I can design it the way I want to design it, and I want to be able to deliver it in a secure fashion, and I want to be able to promote and sell it. So I need all those pieces that I just kind of ran through all these different websites in order to do all those things. So if you go into the back office here, I'm going to show you just a few things here. I'm focused on this left side of the menu. And in the builder section, they have what's called a Pixel Perfect builder, which is their premier builder. It's a drag and drop type of builder. And I'm going to do a separate video, I think, on each one of these items that I'm just going to briefly touch on right now. But what I want to just show you is that they have hundreds and hundreds of templates, and the templates are, you can do a blank template, which I've started doing just because the customization is crazy. The amount of ways that you can do your own design is unlimited, but they also start you out with different templates that you can, if you were in a certain field, you could just go in here, and even if it's for, you know, a landscaping company, you could go in and you could keep some of the pictures or get rid of pictures depending on what it was that you were doing. There's all different kinds of businesses in here, all different kinds of templates. Definitely health and wellness field, and the pictures are fantastic. So you can actually take some of the pictures from one of these templates and use them in other templates. So there's all kinds of things here. And I'll just type in, if I was looking specifically for funnels, for opt-ins, for instance, like you would find in Clickfunnels, they have lots of templates for just your regular standard collecting email and address. I'm sorry, collecting name and email address. So all kinds of templates here. But as I said, it really doesn't matter which one you pick because the ability to customize is just crazy. So that is pretty cool. If we go over here, there's also an email autoresponder included. Now, I expected, in fact, I posted something about this a few weeks ago in the Acupuncture Business Academy Facebook group because I realized that they sell this autoresponder separately for a one-time fee of $50. And I couldn't believe it when I saw it. That's why I posted. I said, I can't believe this is true. And so I expected it to be kind of a piece of crap, but actually it turns out it's fantastic. I mean, in this autoresponder, I'll just kind of show you a little bit about it. You can do all the things that you can do in any other of the nice autoresponders, the Active Campaign or Drip or Constant Contact, Aweber, all of them. You can integrate it with any other program if you wanted to do that. But you can also do tags, and you can do segmenting, and you can, based on behavior, whether they've opened an email or not, you can change them from one list to another. If they purchased something, you can take them off the promotions list and make sure they're on the list as a customer now. I mean, you could do everything that you can do in any other email program. And every time you create a list or every time that you send an email to a list, they walk you through this kind of workflow. It's kind of like a wizard every time you send out your email. So I found it to be fantastic that it's integrated in with these funnels. That's what's so cool about it, is that when you start doing these funnels, you'll see that it's integrated in with the with them, which saves you a lot of time in trying to figure out where the emails start to get connected. They also have a design studio, and I'm just pointing this out only because sometimes you have to pay a lot of money or a little bit of money in order to get certain kind of designs. Like if you're doing, let's see if I have this open here. Yeah. So they have this design studio here, and so you can take a screenshot of your course and what it looks like, and then upload it to one of these designs, and it'll automatically show up wherever there's blue. And then you can use that in your marketing. It's actually really, really cool. And usually you have to pay someone to do something like this. And they have all different kinds of designs here. So this would be for ebooks. So if you had an ebook cover, something that you designed in Photoshop or Canva or something like that, you could come here and just put that picture right on one of these book covers. I don't know, I think that's kind of cool. Then they also have in this section here, let me go back. Actually, I'm going to come over here again. So that's the design studio. Videos, they have different kind of video things you could do here. In this app section, they have an auto post for Facebook. So you can use a calendar to set up all of your Facebook posts and then have them set to go automatically. And I believe they're putting it together for Instagram too. They just haven't done that yet. And here's what I wanted to show you. They have an e-learning platform. So this e-learning platform is very similar to any e-learning plugin that you would see with WordPress. And I've used LearnDash, and I've used Lifter LMS, and a bunch of other ones. And it doesn't look very fancy schmancy, but it actually has every single thing you need to go in there, create a course. And in fact, I've created a free course for my patients, and I will show you that in another video. And actually, you guys can log into it and try it out because it's a free course, and so you can see what it looks like from the inside. But that's not what I'm most excited about. I'm most excited about the membership area, website templates. They have membership areas that are very secure. And so you can set the security level so that people get a username and password, and they can only after they register, only after they pay, can they log into your course content. So I'm going to do a completely separate video on the membership site stuff, which is what I'm going to be using to deliver my course. And in fact, part of the reason I'm starting this video series is because I am going to document the creation of my course, and so you can see it happening as it's happening. The last thing I wanted to show you was down here they have, believe it or not, a webinar platform. Now this is not quite running yet for live webinars, but they do have the ability to do, let me pull it out over here. They have the ability to do it with evergreen webinars, and what that means is you would do a recording and then you would put it into the software, and then you can schedule it, collect email addresses, and put the webinar together that way. So I played around with this, and I'm actually really amazed with the I forgot what I had put in here. So I was just trying stuff out, but you can schedule it for different times, or you can have it start by having a start button, or you could have it on demand. That would be kind of the evergreen version. You can have a chat that's underneath it that you can answer questions from people. You also get pretty good statistics about people attending. This is where you can connect in your email. So you have your mailing boss right here. You don't have to go out and get your other email, close out, come back in. So you can have a list already set up. And then you also have tracking in here. You can do translations. One of the things I should say about this company, Builderall, is that it was based out of Brazil. That's where it started, and it's been around for a while. It's now U.S. based, and so they're just getting started in the U.S. as of 2017, I believe. So here's what I recommend that you do. I recommend that you just try a 7-day trial, and this is a good time to do it because I am going to be putting out more videos to show you how I think you can use this for your online courses. So what you want to do is go to, actually I'll put a link underneath this video, but it's register-7.days, webbuilderally.com register. And what this link connects you to me. This is an affiliate program within Builderall, because a lot of what you will find if you start doing research on the internet with Builderall is there are a lot of affiliates that use it. And they use it to sell their other affiliate programs, but they also use it to sell Builderall. So you'll see a lot of people using it that way as a way to generate income. I see it as much, much more than that. I feel like this is the answer to everything I need to create and design my online program, to put it together in a way that it is secure in that membership area, and I don't have to worry about it not being secure. And then as a way to promote it, so you would have lead magnets and that kind of stuff, and then sell it in the end. So to me, this answers all that and gives you a whole lot more. So what I recommend that you do is go ahead and sign up for a 7-day free trial. And you can use this URL right here, which is register-7days.webbuilderally.com/register. Actually, I'll leave the link. I just repeated all that. I'll leave the link below this video so that you can just click on it. And the reason why this link is important is because it does connect you to me. I'm one of the only people in this whole company right now, because this is relatively new to the United States, who's really focused on doing the online course creation and the membership sites. Most of the people in this company are affiliates who are promoting Builderall, using it, and then using it to promote other affiliate products, but also to promote Builderall itself. So if you just sign up, you're going to end up being on somebody's team that's really focused on doing affiliate marketing. And if that's your thing, go for it. You know, I recommend, there's some great people in there, and that's their main way of running their business. And so you're going to get some great training. But what I do is the online course creation, and I've partnered with a team that does content creation and a gal who's a branding expert, and she's fantastic. So when you connect with me doing the online course creation, you also get every single thing that she has created, and I'll do another video that shows you everything that she does too, and how relevant it is to get her trainings and things like that. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to show you, I'm going to do an incognito window, because if I try to log in with that, it's going to show that I'm already logged into my back office in Builderall. But if you just go in and set up your 70-day free trial, what I want to do is just kind of walk you through what to expect here. So I'm just going to make something up here. We'll just call this Kiwi, which is my dog's name. We'll call this Kiwi at Kiwi email.com, and we'll just make up a password here, and we'll get started. So this is, and you can go into plans here. I'll show you that in a second. We'll just go ahead and finish this part up so that you can see what to expect. So you notice you don't need a credit card to sign up for the free trial. They're going to give you some special offer here. I honestly don't know what it is. I think it might be like Facebook something, the smart sales system. Again, I think this has more to do with the affiliate stuff, but you're welcome to click yes there. I'm just going to click no just to move this along a little bit. And then I think either way you have access to that. So once you go through that, just those 2 clicks, you now have the access to the back office, just like I showed you. There will be a few things that you don't have access to. I think especially in Mailing Boss, I don't think they're going to let you start doing emailing right away. They don't want people to come in and just start blasting lists and stuff like that. But you can go ahead in and you can try out the web editor. I highly recommend that you look at some of the tutorials first. And the kind of cool thing is that when you find an area that you're not sure about, you can always go right down here to tutorials and training. And if there's something very specific that you want to learn about, you could come in here and you could just click tutorials, and then you could search for what it is that you're looking for. So let's say that you were trying to find out about membership sites. You could type in membership, and then it starts giving you some videos to choose from there. So I encourage you to go ahead and play around with this. You can look at all the different apps in here, especially stuff that I didn't go over. But what I'm also going to be doing is putting up videos and going through some of the areas that I think are most important for online course creation. So please go ahead and sign up for the, let's see if I have them here. I don't even know where is the YouTube channel for Acupuncture Business Academy. I just created this YouTube channel, but I'm going to be putting up videos in here. So if you go ahead and subscribe to it, then at least you will get notifications when I have a new video up. And I'm going to be pretty consistent here putting these up. So let's see if I can find this Acupuncture Business Academy YouTube channel. There it is right there. So I just have one video in there right now. This looks terrible, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. But hey, this is my motto. The first is the worst. You just have to do something the first time in order to get things going. So I appreciate you sticking with me on this. I'm hoping to give you some really great information that's going to help you build your business. It won't always be techie stuff. I just happen to like techie stuff. So I will be doing quite a bit of that for a while. And I also just love this new digital platform, Builderall. So I'm hoping that it might meet you where you are and be a solution to any kind of problem that you're looking to solve right now as far as being able to get an online course out there. And I'll also do some videos on why I believe diversification of your income is so important and how an online course can do that for you. So that's it for now. I thank you for sticking with me. Please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you know anybody who can benefit from this information, go ahead and please share it. All right, you guys, you have a great day, and I will look forward to seeing you in the Acupuncture Business Academy Facebook group or on the YouTube channel. Or if you want to message me, feel free to do that. I'm happy to try to answer your questions for you. All right, you guys, have a great day.